What is up, 9 Media family? I told you I was gonna be back here. I told you I was gonna be consistent with these videos and I was gonna do multiple videos and come to y'all. It is still in the holiday season of 2021 and I am here yet again. This video is not even really like a video. I hope that you would just want to kick it with me. But we're talking about one of the most popular cameras and one of my favorite cameras on the market right now, the Canon M50. If you're thinking about getting the Canon M50, then yeah, duh, like go get a Canon M50. Why not? They're $650 right now, which is crazy that when I bought mine, they weren't that pricey. And that just lets you know the value in such a small package. That were even cheaper when they first came out. I understood the value of having high quality content, so I jumped on getting one, and I also wanted to get into photography and videography, and it was the perfect thing. Digital camera, shoots in 4K, you get slow-mo in 720p. God, my ears are ringing. I don't know what's going on here. You know, our shop is actually right next to Boeing Airfield in Everett, Washington, right across the street. So we get a lot of planes, and it really messes with the atmosphere and the sound pressure, and it almost feels like we have a sonic boom like every 20 minutes because these huge Boeing 777Xs and 747 and Dreamliners are constantly flying over and killing the sound waves around here. But I wanted to make this video because I have been seeing a lot of, checking my audio, I've been seeing a lot of other YouTubers talk about cinema rigging out your Canon M50. And I just want to, I didn't want to recreate another one of those videos. I just want to piggyback off of those other guys and to give you another encourager, someone else to also be saying, yes, if you have an M50 and you want to shoot video, it is worth rigging it out. You can get some amazing quality content if you are, if you're thoughtful about the way you go about shooting and you don't just rush everything and you actually take your time and set up your shots. You can get incredible footage and incredible content made with the M50 rigged out. It turns it into something else. It really does. And it's really good. As you can hear Lazy in the background, you can get some really high quality content. I haven't shot with the M50 in a while. I used to shoot all of my YouTube content for my other channel, DJ The Boss, where I talk about how I built my cleaning company and I help other cleaning business owners to kind of build their company, which turns out to just be media, and which led me to start this company, 9 Media, with my buddy Zach. But that's why we exist, is now we create internet content for small businesses and help small businesses, create more leads and generate more attention locally in their market. So if you need help with that, reach out to us, of course. But we're creatives. We're a creative house at heart. I just want to piggyback off the rest of those guys' video and say yes, rig out your M50. One of the best things you can do is that Viltrox speed booster to adapt some EF glass or EFS glass. I believe if you get the adapter, you can get it's an EF adapter, and I believe the speed booster is an EFS adapter. Either way, I think the speed booster from Viltrox was maybe like 70 bucks or something like that, 60, 70 bucks, not expensive at all. I think I got an adapter from Viltrox that was even cheaper because it doesn't have any actual glass. It's just an adapter. So it was like 40 bucks. So you're all in, you're in about 120 bucks on top of your camera to be able to adapt to all of the Canon glass, the EF and EFS lenses, which is great. On top of that, if you have the money to, small rig cage, obviously, get a cage so that you can attach some other things that you need, audio and monitors and things like that. 1 second, my phone is blowing up right now, which is crazy, but life of business owner, what are you gonna do? Anyway, yeah, so small rig cage, handle to help stabilize your footage, tripod and a monitor, because that little tiny screen, you're not gonna be able to I was never able to know that my images were tack sharp in camera just by looking at the screen. I would kind of look at them like, oh, that's not really in focus. So a monitor is going to help a lot. I think a really expensive one, I think the one that's on the M50 right now is the Field World, not the 4K one, but if the M50 shoots in 4K and you get a nice picture of that on the 1080 screen of the Field World. There is a Field World 4K that I believe is also compatible with it. This is it. Yeah, this is it. This is the Field World. The non-4K one works really well with the M50. I haven't tried this one a whole lot, but I imagine it works just as well. But this is a 4K monitor if you want to have a 4K monitor as well. These are maybe around 200 bucks or so, 150 and 200 bucks for either the 4K and the non-4K one. But well worth the investments to be able to look to see what you're doing. That's going to make all the difference, is being able to see what you're shooting. You won't know if it's cinematic or not, you know, and if you can't see it. So those are some of my favorite things to rigging out the M50. But overall, you're just thinking about stabilization and your picture. So being able to see your pictures is usually it. Getting good glass is, you know, being able to actually capture that sharp image. And rigging out your M50 to be able to attach your either hand grip if you're going to go handheld, tripod if it's going to be sitting somewhere, or on a gimbal with your little bottom plate. Audio, being able to attach your audio, because you won't be forgiven for bad audio. They'll forgive you for shitty video, but they won't forgive you for shitty audio. So I hope this audio is actually coming out pretty clear. But yeah, that's all you need. All that other stuff, I mean, ND filter, if you're going to be shooting outside, definitely use the sun to your advantage. The M50 isn't the best in low light, so some light's definitely going to help you in getting your footage better. But if you're in the daylight, ND filters can help you stay in those low apertures, so you can keep that bokeh and that from those sharp lenses that you're investing in, and to get that dreamy, cinematic footage that everyone likes. So go for the bokeh. With the M50, I'm rigging it out to be a cinema rig. I highly encourage doing it. It will bring you great joy. If you're thinking about getting the M50 for a loved one who's trying to do more content or trying to be better on social media and have higher quality content, then yeah, get them the M50. And if you decide to do so because of this video, we would ask that you do so by our affiliate link down in the description. Help support the channel and brings us a few bucks to help continue to create and make more content like this for you guys, and keeps us around, keeps the lights on around here in the studio. So we appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you're still here, then I love you the most. Definitely like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more content about cameras, digital photography, and business, and digital videography, and marketing, and media, and all the things that that requires today, and that is today. That's all we do. That's all of us here. That's all we're all here for. I love this. I love you guys, man. We'll catch you next time. Peace.